What is it? I'm like, what is it?
What is it?
What is it? It's a piano?
No.
What is it? It's a xylophone.
It's a xylophone.
Yeah, it's a xylophone. Ooh, nice. What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
It's a
Maracas.
maracas. Yes. What is it?
What is it?
It's a tambourine.
It's a tambourine.
Yeah, the tambourine. What is it?
What is it?
It's a drum.
It's a drum.
Yes, okay. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 instruments, okay? So let's see, what do you hear? So, everybody, let's sing the song. What do you hear? What do you hear? I hear the drums. I hear the drums. Okay? So, everybody, close your eyes, close your eyes. And close your eyes, yes. Open your eyes, open your eyes. What do you hear? What do you hear? Raise your hand.
I hear a snake.
Ah, is it a snake? No, it's an instrument. It's a musical instrument.
I hear maracas.
Yes, the maracas. Okay, close your eyes. Open your eyes. What do you hear?
What do you hear?
I hear the...
I hear the drum.
Yes, excellent, the drums. Good job, okay. Now, of course, you can continue this game with your students, and you can have your students choose an instrument. Okay, Leonie, you are the teacher. So you say, close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What do you hear?
What do you hear?
I hear the xylophone.
Yes.
Nice, excellent. Now imagine you don't have fancy instruments like we do. I'm pretty proud of it. You know what? You can just take random objects from home. A glass and a spoon. A glass and a spoon. Paper. You know, you can just, anything that makes a sound can really be used. Anything that you can, use as drums or else, okay? So, have your kids discover musical instruments and especially review what do you hear? I hear, blah, 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 okay? Yes, bye!